Throughout my time on YouTube, I've had the chance to test out many meat probe thermometers. When I mean many, I mean many. Some that were high in standard, some that were low in standard, some that meet the standards of what should be a meat probe, and some that didn't. So we're always looking for is accuracy in a meat probe, right? That's what we need whenever we're using a meat probe, because it's supposed to get you the correct temperature of the meat that you're cooking, you're smoking, you're grilling, right? And also connection. It has to stay connected not only to the base where it transfers signals to each other, the information, but also the app. The app has to work, function 100%, give you what you need in order to be successful in your cooking with the meat probe thermometer. Well, BlueSwan sent me their meat probe thermometer, and you know what? I'm going to put it to the test. Let's see if it's going to be high standard or low standard. So let's get to cooking. All right. We're going to test it out now. So hold on to the power button. Turns on. I already charged it. All right. So right now it says reading 84. So I'm going to stick it right there. Look at that. Magnetic. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you in closer so you can see what I'm about to do. All right. So it's important. You can see this line right there. All right. So that's going to be your safety zone. So you want to get it in between right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one right here. So you can kind of just measure it up, see where it's going to be. So let's get it in between like that. Right in. All right, just like that. All right, so we're going to let it sit like that. Not only are we going to monitor it on this right here on the base, but we're also going to monitor on the app. All right, let's get into the app. Set on pork. Let's go well done. Well, let's take it up all the way. Let's just go for 200. We don't pass that. We don't want to go past that, right? So confirm it. All right, we got all that going. All right. So it's reading target temps 200, ambient temps 208, internals 123. So let's start it right there. Temperature, there's your graph right there. Let's go back. The meat probe has been in use for 1 hour, so checking it out. Looking pretty nice right here. This pork, nice color to it. It's allowing me to monitor the temps, and yeah, I gotta say, so far it's been doing well and just holding where I need it to be at. There it is. There it is. It's beeping, beeping. All right, so it's cut off. So hit 200. Ambient temperature 280 in there. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it rest, the meat, and then I'm gonna give a little good look at it, and then we'll go from there and see how well it did. Now that the pork is hitting 200, let's take a look. You can tell, look at that, it has that nice mahogany color to it. That's what you want right there. Man, it red temps, look at that. Coming out nicely right there, and it's done. So yeah, the probe did well. This meat, the probe thermometer did fantastic. It really did. Throughout the whole cook, not one issue at all. It stayed on, stayed connected with the base. They stayed connected with the app. I was able to go inside and hang out, able to pull up the app, look what the temps were at. That was just awesome. And this base right here, I was able to walk down the driveway. You know what? Let me just show you. I'm at the end of the driveway. Still connected. So that's pretty good. Pretty good distance right there. As you saw, at the end of the driveway, and it still stayed connected. That is awesome. I tell you that because there are a lot of meat probe thermometers that I used, and I just walk away with it 5 feet away from the probe, and they disconnect. And that's something that you don't want, right? You want to be able to say, hey, if you're going to be some distance away, you want it next to you. This is awesome. So it did a fantastic job on that. It really did. And also too, that since it's magnetic on the back, it stayed on the grill throughout the whole cook. Perfect, didn't fall once. And also too, you can put it on your fridge. So if you're inside baking, cooking, you got to get it off your fridge, stick it in your meat, and you're done, right? And it, tell you what, it did fantastic. It really did. I mean, for what it did right here, took it to the temp that I wanted to. Flawless. It really was awesome. And what else is awesome about it is how affordable it is. When I say affordable, affordable. For what you get, for what you saw, it is affordable. And if you want to purchase this meat probe right here, I will put a link down in the description below. Click on it. Perfect time right now for what? Christmas. So go out and get this gift for that one special person that you care about, that you love. I promise you, they will love it because I love it. And honestly, it's probably up there with best of thermometers that I've used, and I'm going to keep using it. I really am. I really am. But I want to say thank you for Blue Swan for sending me this. I really appreciate it for doing that. But as always, folks, got to end this review. Thank you for by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.